Hello viewers, welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to use dual button using Elementor and Flexbox container. First edit a page using Elementor, then click here and add a container. Then drag here like image widget. Here is image. Then add a new container. Drag and drop here container and container direction row horizontal. Click here, click here, then add button widget and click it duplicate. See here is two button. Then click the container and justify content. Click here center. So then you can see here tablet version and mobile version. Publish. Preview it. See here dual button. Thank you.